But we are not only incapacitated because of the physical symptoms, but because of emotional and mental behavior. Sometimes, okay, what happens to us? Did you ever wonder why at times you missed an appointment or you missed a schedule with a friend or even an event? Have you even experienced that you have misplaced your cell phone or even yung salamin nyo, your eyeglasses, yung pala nasa tuktok ng ulo nyo? Or do you have difficulty concentrating or focusing? Now, although these symptoms, these emotions, these behaviors can occur at any age, they rarely occur together. However, if you experience several negative feelings and these emotions and behavior that I explained to you now simultaneously appear in your life, it is most likely because of the natural culprits, menopause and aging.